Market leaders always plan ahead before making a move. The rest follow ill-conceived schemes that may lead to costly consequences. Take production management, for example. Not detecting malfunctions in time leads to downtime. That makes you feel as if you were this poor guy who just caused a traffic jam. Mitsubishi Electric knows how to keep car part manufacturers on the move. The functionalities of MELFA Smart Plus bring next-generation intelligence to the MELFA FR series of robots. Predictive and preventive maintenance, force sense control enhancement, and calibration assistance are just a few of its features that will help you gain a competitive advantage and become a market leader. Learn more about the game-changing characteristics of MELFA Smart Plus by visiting our website or YouTube channel, and see our definition of digital manufacturing.